It is time for me to tell you what I should have told you 5 years ago, Harry. I am going to tell you everything about the scar on your forehead. Voldemort did not give you that scar upon your forehead. It was... Excuse me, Harry, the Ministry needs me.
Oh, okay. Ron, Hermione, everything I knew about my scar was a lie. Dumbledore told me that Voldemort didn't give me it.
Yeah, so who did then?
I don't know. The Ministry called him out before he could tell me anything.
Harry, I must confess, I always thought your scar was caused by lightning, and not simply from another one of you-know-who's failed murder attempts.
Lightning? Merlin, Hermione! You've gone completely mental!
Well, Ron, lightning is created in electrical storms where the storm clouds are charged. The upper portion of the cloud is positive, and the lower portion is negative. In the process of the water cycle, moisture accumulates in the atmosphere, forming a cloud. The clouds contain billions of water droplets and ice suspended in the air. These collide with each other during evaporation and condensation because the rising moisture collides with the precipitation that is falling down. During these collisions, electrons are knocked off the rising moisture. These electrons gather in the lower portion of the cloud, and the rising moisture, which has lost an electron, carries a positive charge that rises to the top of the cloud. The opposite charges, centers in the cloud, create an electric field, which produces lightning.
So basically, without the water cycle, we wouldn't have positive and negative charges in the clouds, and therefore no collisions would take place. Then there'd be no lightning.
Yes!
As amazing as this is, Hermione, it's completely off the point. What does this have to do with how Harry got struck by lightning?
This is where positive streamers come into place. You see, the electric field breaks down the air surrounding the cloud, creating several conductive paths of ionized air between the Earth and the cloud, known as step leaders. The first step leader to reach the ground will be the one which the lightning strike will follow. Now, positive streamers are the responses of objects on the Earth's surface to a strong electric field caused by the charge separation in the clouds. The positive streamers produced by the objects reach out to the cloud, and one of the step leaders coming down from the cloud meets the streamer, completing the path of the ionizing air from the cloud to the ground.
But then that would mean that there are positive streamers on my body which can connect the step leaders from the clouds, providing the lightning strike with a pathway from the cloud to the ground.
Exactly.
So the streamer just happened to come from my forehead, which meant the lightning strike it, giving me a scar on my forehead.
It's the truth, Harry.
Merlin! If getting hit by a lightning strike is all it took for Harry to become the boy who lived, then lightning, here I come! Come on, Harry!
Harry, run! Come back, you idiots!